have a root sample that we collected the other day, and the first step you need to do is to wash it using a sink and some water in a bucket to make sure you remove all the soil. And so after we've washed the roots, we're going to separate the roots into two different parts. So first step is we've got to cut 2 inches around the crown, and then take these thicker roots and put them in one pile, and the fibers, these thinner parts, into another pile. Then we're going to dry them and weigh them to see if there's a difference between the two different types. So we're going to use the ruler to measure out 2 inches from the crown and make a cut using some scissors. And so we're going to trim all the way around the crown. So now that we've cut around the crown, we have a whole bunch of roots, and now we're going to try and separate the thicker roots into one pile and the fibers into another. So we'll trim the roots as well, just to make sure they're about the same size. It'll be easier to weigh them. So we have our first pile of fibrous roots that we're going to make sure are dry before we weigh them. And we're using a scale that measures in grams. So you'll want to make sure you get all your roots on here and then approximate to the fullest figure. So this is about 19 grams. So we'll mark it as 19 grams, and then with the thicker roots, do the same, dry them. Make sure that your scale is zeroed from the previous measurement in case there's any leftover roots, and place them on the scale. And we would say this is about, yeah, just 31.6 grams.